Let's talk about how to make your first $150. We're going to start with the Fast Start bonus. The Fast Start bonus comes into play in a new customer's first 3 months of placing orders with Young Living. In their very first month, you will make 50% commissions on any PV they order in their entire first month. In their second and third month, you will make 25% commission on any PV they order in that second and third month. So, an example of this is you create a wish list or they order individual products from using your referral link. And in that first month, if they order a total of 100 PV, you're going to get 50% commission. So, 50% of 100 PV is $50. You would get a check for $50. If they order more PV, you get more money. So let's recap that in 3 easy steps. You're going to share your referral link or share a referral link to a wish list that you've created. That new customer places an order for 100 PV. You're going to make $50. So here's the math. 50% of the PV of their first month's order is $50. So in your first month, you can make some really good money. In your first month, if you help 2 new customers place 100 PV orders, you're going to earn $100. If you help 4 new customers place 100 PV orders, you're going to earn $200. If you help 6, you're going to earn $300. If you help 8, that's $400. If you help 10 friends get started with Young Living with 100 PV orders, you will earn $500. Now, 100 PV is just an example for easy math. If they order more or less PV in that first month, you're always going to earn 50% of the PV in commissions. Now, here's where things get really fun. The next bonus is the starter bundle bonus. Now, this one stacks onto the Fast Start bonus, which is what we just talked about. Now, the Fast Start bonus is 50% of a new customer's PV in their first month, and then 25% of a new customer's PV in their second and third month. Now, these do have to be consecutive. If you enroll a new customer and they place an order their very first month, you make 50% commission. If they don't order in their second month, you do miss out on the 25% commission. And then if they order in their third month, you'll still get that 25% commission. But that missing month, month 2, does not bump into the next month, for example. It has to be in their first 3 consecutive months. After those first 3 consecutive months, they bump to normal commissions, which is anywhere from 4 to 8%, depending on where they are in your organization. And we'll learn more about that later. So let's chat about the starter bundle bonus. When you help a new customer place their first order with Young Living and their first order includes a premium starter bundle or one of our starter bundles, you will make an additional $25 bonus on top of the 50% commission. So that's on top of that Fast Start bonus. Yeah. So let me give you an example. Each person who uses your referral link to get a premium starter bundle will get you an additional $25 bonus onto your paycheck. This makes it really ideal to onboard customers into your team using these starter bundles because you are going to get an additional $25 thank you from Young Living. So let's break this down in 3 easy steps. You're going to share your referral link or share a wish list. In that referral link or wish list, you're going to have a starter bundle put in there. That new customer will buy one of those premium starter bundles and you're going to make $75. What's the math on that? Well, the premium starter bundle has 100 PV and your Fast Start bonus gives you 50% of that PV. So simply from them ordering that bundle, you'll make 50% commissions or $50. And then because they ordered an actual starter bundle, Young Living's going to give you an additional $25 as a thank you. So that's $25 and 50 equals 75. So, to maximize your earnings in your first month, selling a starter bundle is going to be the best bang for not only your paycheck, but also for your customers' buck, because we know the starter bundles are the best value. So, let's break down this so you can see how to make $750 in your first month. If you're going to want to earn $150, you're going to help 2 new customers order a premium starter bundle. If you want to make $300, you'll help 4. If you want $450, help 6, $600, help 8, $750, help 10. Now again, this is just a math example. Selling simply starter bundles, you could add on additional products. Someone could order a Thieves Home starter bundle right now, and then they could add a few other products to diffuse. So that PV would go up even higher. And when you're making that 50% commission, your paycheck will go up as well. So let these starter bundles be the foundation of how you enroll people and add additional items into your wish list, and you'll make an even bigger paycheck and serve your customers better.